Recognize the signs of heart problems before it's too late. The heart is a crucial organ responsible for maintaining all body functions by pumping blood throughout the body. Thus, it is vital to keep the heart healthy. Heart disease remains one of the deadliest conditions, and it can affect anyone, regardless of gender or age. Heart disease encompasses various health issues affecting the heart, including blood vessel diseases, irregular heartbeats or arrhythmias, congenital heart defects, and diseases of the heart muscle and valves. One particularly deadly type of heart disease is coronary artery disease, CAD, also known as ischemic heart disease. SAD occurs when the blood vessels supplying blood to the heart narrow, leading to chest pain, arrhythmias, and heart attacks if left untreated. Symptoms of heart problems are not confined to the chest. They can manifest in several body parts. Recognizing these symptoms early can lead to timely treatment, preventing the condition from worsening. Here are some symptoms of heart problems that require attention. Number 4. Chest pain. The primary symptom to watch for is chest pain, which radiates to the left arm, neck, jaw, and back. This pain occurs because the heart muscle is deprived of oxygen due to narrowed or blocked coronary arteries. The pain may arise during physical activity or emotional stress and subside with rest. Immediate medical attention is crucial if you experience chest pain, as it could signify a heart attack requiring urgent treatment. Number 3. Cold sweats. Sweating is normal after exertion, but profuse sweating while at rest is a warning sign. Cold sweats are the body's response to stress or severe pain, such as during a heart attack. When the heart lacks oxygen, stress hormones like adrenaline are released, causing the blood vessels in the skin to constrict and trigger cold sweat. This symptom often accompanies dizziness, nausea, and intense anxiety. Seek medical help immediately if you experience unexplained cold sweats. Number 2. Swollen ankles. Heart disease can also be indicated by swollen ankles and feet. This swelling, known as edema, occurs when the heart struggles to pump blood efficiently, causing blood to pool in the veins and fluid to seep into surrounding tissues. This condition, often worse at night, may be accompanied by rapid weight gain and is a sign of heart failure. Number 1. Shortness of breath. Experiencing shortness of breath without engaging in strenuous activity can signal heart issues. Disrupted blood flow to the lungs or circulation problems caused by the heart can lead to fluid buildup in the lungs, a condition associated with heart failure and coronary heart disease. This symptom, which can worsen when lying down, is often paired with a persistent cough and fatigue. These are some signs of heart problems to be mindful of. Those with risk factors for heart disease should consult a doctor for further evaluation. This video aims to educate and inform. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.